We're upgrading the Brooker Highway at the Montrose Bay Foreshore. We've heard concerns and feedback about the safety of all road users, including those in vehicles, nearby school children and pedestrians visiting the Foreshore Park. We looked at different ways to make the intersection safer and decided that traffic lights would work best in this location. The intersection has a high crash history. We are aware that traffic lights aren't everyone's preferred option, but it is the safest option for people crossing the road and also the most cost-effective. The traffic lights will also be linked with the other traffic lights along the Brooker Highway to streamline traffic flow along the highway as best as possible. As well as being safer for pedestrians, the project will improve safety for road users entering and exiting the Brooker Highway. It provides a safer connection between the Montrose Bay Foreshore bike track and the intercity cycleway. The designs have been finalised and we expect to start work in mid-2025. We will keep you updated on our progress.